Hi, my name is Alyssa Herbold, and today I will be going over my blog post titled Top 10 Articles About Term Life Insurance on InsuredTY.com's website, which I highly encourage you to go check out. It's very informative. Multiple blog posts can definitely help prospective customers understand the insurance industry. So before I begin, I just want to say that I think doing your research as a prospective customer for term life insurance is very important. There are a lot of insurance companies out there that you can choose between, and I think we do a great job helping you in your buyer's journey with our blog posts. We're very informative for you, but I definitely think it's important for you to check out what's out there and very much so just understand the industry and your different options before you decide on one. So to begin, we have Insurance Information Institute at number 10. I think they do a great job describing the possible term life policies that a customer could purchase, given that obviously the insurance company that they're purchasing from offers multiple term life options, which many of them do. But overall, I think the article does a great job defining term life jargon or vocabulary. And overall goes into great detail about term life as a product. So New York Life definitely focuses their article on the consumer and their personal journey through purchasing life insurance. So the author definitely takes a different look on this article, and they paint a picture of a candidate in their personal life and why with their financial situation specifically and their family life and their health, why they should purchase term life. So I think customers could definitely relate to this fictional person and then further realize that term life could be well suited for them. Northwestern Mutual definitely just does a great job overall going over the basics of term life without really overwhelming the reader. They state and explain the different types of term life, the premiums and the payment plans, and what steps to take when your term length is up. So Bankrate, their article is great because they list multiple frequently asked questions and then give in-depth answers for the reader. They also give great pros and cons for purchasing term life, and they're just overall very honest about the product because they're not necessarily trying to sell customers, they're just genuinely trying to inform them. ValuePenguin does a great job describing how term life can specifically help a family in the event of the main breadwinner unfortunately passing away. So they illustrate a real life situation and then further explain how term life can help. Forbes focuses on how to specifically measure the amount of coverage you need while you're purchasing term life. So they go into depth about which things factor into your decision, which is very helpful for prospective customers because you obviously need to know how much coverage that is necessary. So Investopedia, they include numerous in-depth questions and answers to help you understand term life, which is very helpful, and just overall a basic, very helpful article. US News does a great job describing what life insurance is and obviously how it's helpful to you. And they insert very visually aesthetically pleasing visuals, which help the user compare which policy is right for them in terms of different whole and term life policies. So I think The Guardian does a great job making term life insurance material less confusing for people who are kind of more new in the insurance industry. They include very visually pleasing and helpful charts, once again, to compare features of term life and permanent life, and they give their estimate on how much insurance is needed based on your age. So NerdWallet, I find, is the best term life article. They go into depth about individual top insurance companies and how these companies compare to each other positively and negatively. They include price charts for term life insurance for people at different ages and different term lengths, which is a great visual. And overall, they cover all their bases in this article. And the author is definitely incredibly informative for prospective customers and non-biased. So that unbiased opinion definitely helps. But this is my overall top 10 list of term life insurance articles that I highly suggest you go check out. All of their links are right beneath each little summary. So I really highly encourage you to go check these websites out and check my blog post out, and continue to watch our videos on InsuredTY's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.